So I've been thinking a lot about horizontal magnet alignment in the Rapt. I realize I haven't talked about it more in depth, so I want to show you what I mean. A lot of you have probably figured this out already. You've probably noticed you've got this little, sorry, magnet. This little jog right here. They're just going to grab my screwdriver. Oh well. Got this little groove right here where the screw goes, and that perfectly fits right in here. But it's on this side too. So you can literally just flip it over and put it in that way. Now some of you might just, you just put it back together and you just, maybe weren't thinking about it or paying attention and just end up putting it in that way anyway. And then, liked it and stuck with it. But there's some good reasons for it. And before I put it back together, I'll explain to you which ones you can actually do that with and which ones you can't. So you can only do it with the ones that are 2x4. All right. So that is because you have magnet, 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 and they're all spaced a certain distance equally. And there's no magnet right there where you have these little indents. But if you like to use 2x3 for instance, either in the medium or the strong, so we got brass 2x3 strong here, you'll notice that you only have it on one side. Now you can probably guess that the reason you don't have it on this side as well is because now you've got a magnet in the center of the insert. So if you put another little, blip over there, you're basically just compromising the insert and it's not going to have enough meat to get a hole through for the magnet. And same thing for this, really. Even though it's a medium magnet, still you might be able to do it maybe, but no. So yeah, you got a 2x4 and you want to flip it, you absolutely can. So let's flip it. Let's flip this. Okay, so you got it like that. What I do is I just kind of move the magnets a little bit more to the edge. And then you should just be able to kind of get them to go in there. Like that. And then my little runaway magnet, I should make sure I put this in the right way. Yep, I'm attracting to all of them. So that means I'm on the right side of the magnet stick. Okay. Okay, so got it all back together. You get the same beautiful, crisp, clicky pops that you're used to with the hybrid aluminum. And then when I go to the side, ooh, so much more, so much bigger. And what that does, it allows you to get much better, nicer clicks with the side slide. So I'll just sit there and slide it inwards like that. You want a nice subtle way to do it. It's nice because it's more mindless. You're not thinking about like where you're laddering and trying to not have it fall or something like that. You don't have to worry about it. So you're getting more noise because you've increased the distance of the slide. So the distance the magnet has to travel to go from one spot to the other is further, and the further the distance, the more of that snap you get when it arrives there. More distance, louder. Less distance, quieter. One move you won't be able to do is the one where you start two magnets on and then you kind of flip it, and then normally it would flip back to there, and you can just keep going back and forth. It's the one Jonas really likes to do whenever he shows a new Rapt he's particularly proud of, a new masterpiece that he's created. He's actually really good at it. He does some stuff I'm like, whoa, I've like slowed the video down sometimes to see what he did. Yeah. So there you go. Why not, eh? Just another thing you can do. And then yeah, laddering is it's different. It's not better or worse, just different. So usually the other body would be covering the screw. You'd be sitting about there. So when you go to flick it off with your finger, you're pushing more of the body off of the other body. But now that it's sitting right there, it's just ever so slight of a little flick and it falls off. I like it. Yeah, anyway, there you go. Wanted to show you that. Want to make sure you knew. Most of you probably do, but hey, I didn't know for a while. So you gotta know. There's just, one more little thing you can do. One more little way you can make it just yours, suited just to you. Anyway, happy clicking, guys. Love ya. Bye-bye.